Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dova protocol. Now I wanted to pronounce this Dova because it looks like it is spelled out Dova, but then when you go to the actual site there's doves everywhere, so I'm going to assume that it's pronounced Dova protocol. Could be wrong though. But ticker symbol is DOVA. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 30th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Dova protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So somebody actually commented to do a video on this token or something along those lines, and I was already about to do a video on this token. So here we are talking about the Dova Liquidity protocol. Their ticker symbol is bitdov.ai. Now this token is on the Etheteum blockchain. It says the Dova protocol is an innovative initiative aiming to enhance liquidity between the Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum virtual machine EVM networks. It allows BRC-20 tokens to seamlessly transfer across chains, enabling collateralized lending on the Ethereum protocol. This enhances the liquidity of BRC20 tokens, fostering the growth and development of the Bitcoin ecosystem. So you can find their Telegram here at Dova Official Group. They have 10,911 Telegram members, doing very well. 803 members online right now, so that's a great place to join the conversation and chat about this protocol and the token and new listings and all that type of stuff. Which leads me to this token getting a brand new listing today, December 30th, 7 o'clock UTC time. The Dova token just got listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Dova token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DOVA, and then simply just buy the token. So 7 o'clock UTC time has already passed, so this token is live on Mexc right now. Now, according to their Etherscan, they already have 11,474 holders. There's 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 640,228,639.38 tokens. So there is a decent amount of tokens there and a lot of holders so far, so they're doing very well. Now, if you go to their webpage, you're going to find different sections. You can launch their application, but it says coming soon, so you can't click on that button yet. But there is a swap coming soon, there is staking coming soon, and it says loan, and that one looks like it is available. And then there's info on here as well, so there's lots of things you can go over on their webpage. They also have their socials like the Telegram and Twitter linked at the bottom of the page, bitdov.ai. So it says Dova Liquidity Protocol, earn interest, borrow assets, and build Bitcoin. Dova Protocol is an innovative endeavor aiming to unify liquidity between the Bitcoin network and the EVM network. So there's the Bitcoin EVM bridge. The Dova protocol integrates the multi-bit bridge, enabling users to seamlessly trade or seamlessly transfer BRC20 tokens across chains via the multi-bit cross-chain bridge. Subsequently, users can leverage the Dova protocol on the Ethereum network to facilitate collateralized lending using transferred BRC20 tokens. So the Dova loan protocol, number one, there's security. So it says leveraging the security and reliability of the Bitcoin blockchain. The BRC-20's protocol ensures users' funds are secure, protected from malicious attacks or hacking threats. And liquidity, so the protocol enhances the liquidity of both Bitcoin and BRC20 tokens, positioning itself to become one of the most popular and widely traded assets in the crypto market. It's got scalability, so the BRC-20 protocol enables users to access the blockchain such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, etc., providing more services and products like loans, games, NFTs, and more. Passive income. So the protocol allows users to earn BRC-20 tokens as rewards for staking, potentially increasing the value of the tokens due to the limited supply. So there is a roadmap on here, starts in Q4 2023, with build the web page, social media building and release, Dova token TGE, Dova protocol launches with its native token, access to multi-bit Bitcoin bridge integration, Bitcoin Wallet Connect functionality, dynamic community growth initiatives, collaborations. Then next year, we're going to have groundbreaking BRC20 staking and loan portal, farming pool in collaboration with strategic partners, more support for wallets, diverse needs. We got MetaMask, OKX wallets, launch of cross-chain bridge interchange with ordinal assets, including BRC20 tokens, Bitcoin mainnet, and EVM chains. Then Q2 next year, we're going to have Dova protocol limited NFT launch. Then we got exploration of BRC-30's protocol to access the feasibility of dApp implementation, more partnerships and collabs, and more to come after that. Now, how the token is split up, there is a total supply, it says, of 2,100,000,000 tokens, and 60% of those tokens go to mining, 10% IDO, 10% airdrop, 10% team, 5% treasury, and 5% liquidity pool. Looks like they are partners with Multi-Bit Exchange and TertSat, which I did a video on. There's a token called TertSat that you can check out. But besides that, let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Dova protocol and their token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Check out all the referral codes, by the way, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. And Happy New Year. Peace out.